Amy and Karen, thank you for the Go Populars. Thank you, thank you. We getting some lunch. I already had the buffalo wing dip, the leftover buffalo wing dip for lunch today. That's what my lunch was. We're just chilling by the water right now. We gotta get KK soon. Beth, thank you for the community celebration. Thank you, thank you. I had to drive her to her appointment. It's actually cooled down quite a bit today. It rained pretty good for a little while, and it really dropped the temperature, so it's pretty nice right now. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Okay, Beth, thank you again. Chino as well. Much love, ladies. Much love. Y'all killed it last night. Killed it. It was incredible. Oof. Oof. It is pretty. That's what it was like for us the last couple days. Hopefully now it's over for a little bit and we get back to like the normal temperatures, you know, but we'll see. Karen with the community fests, and Lori as well. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Where are you from? Ontario. Ontario. Much love. Karen with 908 community fests. Jen as well. Much love, Jen. Much love. You look so fine for a 50-year-old. Thanks. I appreciate that. You know, that's what happens when you take care of your body. Treat this body like a temple. Bonus ×2 is 10 p.m. Yeah, we'll be live again tonight. We will be live again tonight for bonus, for sure. Christine and Jill, much love. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much, ladies. Mucho gracias. All these people, like, we're right at the boat launch. And they're taking their boat out. Oh, it looks perfect right now. One day. One day. Gretchen, much love as well. Thank you, and Lori again. Thank you very much, ladies. Now I want Tim's. Love a good steep tea. Double with milk. Love it. Go make friends. That's wild. One day we'll have a boat. In the future. We'll have some toys, you know what I mean? You need an XL, eh? You need an XL. Some days, you gotta do what you gotta do. If an XL is what you need, an XL is what you get. Is around the yeah, no, it is. It's hard not to do daily. Rana, thank you for the community fest. Thank you very much, Rana. I get a steep tea every day, no shame. No shame. Phuket. Rana with the community celebration as well. Much love, Rana. Much love. Thank you, thank you. You're just having a Red Bull? Just a Red Bull for Laura. You made the big move. How's the move? How's it going for you? How is it going for you? And thank you for the community crown as well. Thank you. And Gretchen as well. Much love, ladies. I got some catching up to do. I know, Rana, you've been MIA. I was like, where'd she go? It's been quiet. It's been quiet. Life. Damn life, eh? Damn life. It's okay, I wrote Paula's Donuts for everyone. There you go. There you go. You've been living in Calgary for a month. Very nice. Very nice. Life does get busy sometimes. It does. The tan, yeah. We've definitely got a lot of color going. Credit that to the golf. Golf. But that means the tan lines are also really bad. So, it's fine though. It's fine. You haven't aged a bit. Well, somebody earlier said I did look good for 50. So, I treat this body like a temple, you know? I definitely don't eat takeout every day. Fuck. Remember when I accumulated 30 free pizzas from Domino's? That's fucked. That's fucked. In like a year. In 1 year time, I accumulated 30 free pizzas from Domino's. And I'm here trying to say, I treat this body like a temple. What kind of bullshit? Honestly, that's kind of impressive though. You gotta give it, that's kind of impressive. All right? I bet you can't name somebody else. I bet you don't know anybody else that's ever done that. But now you do. You're welcome. That's what I'm here for. There was a time it seemed, no, I did order it daily. I did. Legendary. Yeah. Shit. Shit. Caitlin's getting eyelash extensions done for grad tomorrow. We got her graduation at 6. That brings me to my next point. So we got our grad tomorrow at 6 o'clock, right? After that, we have dinner reservations at 8:30. So the live will probably not be until like 10:30 tomorrow. We probably won't be on until 10:30. We will be on though, okay? We will be on because it's the last day of the qualifiers and points are gonna transition over. So we gotta use the double points while we can. So we'll be on. But we'll also be on during the day tomorrow too. So we'll do another daytime one. And yeah. But it'll be a fun night tomorrow. We got grad, a nice dinner. We're doing all you can eat tapas. I'm sure some people are gonna order off the menu, but I'm not. I'm doing all you can eat tapas because you know what? They got some fucking mussels on there. They got so many good things and it's all you can eat. Oh fuck, so good, so good. Get a nice spicy Caesar. Oh yeah, it's gonna be real good. I'll be happy. And then KK's going to an after party afterwards too. So Amanda, thank you for the follow. Thank you. Everyone's just gonna be happy all around, you know? Do you always review the menu before going to dinner? Not. You know what? I have started to. I never used to, but like now I do. Now I do. But I've been to Johnny Rocco's before. I've been there for the all you can eat tapas. So, you know, it won't be a new experience for me. That's why I'm so excited for it, because I know it's going to be real good. I've been there twice for the tapas. Have to make sure you don't eat before. Oh no, I'll be prepped. I'll be well prepped. I gotta at least get some idea. Yeah. No, you'll be, watch out. Johnny Rocco's, not Rockets. We don't have any Johnny Rockets. At least not that I know of. Never even heard of Johnny Rockets. Hello, Rain. Hello there. We had one, but I think it closed. That's no bueno. The weather, it's beautiful right now. Rained earlier for a little bit. It's overcast now, but you know, it's not raining. The temperature dropped. All is well. You know what was fucked up? I didn't get to see it. I wish I did. But my sister did. So I was sitting on the couch watching a documentary, eating my buffalo wing dip, right? And I could see out the window, it was like a torrential downpour out. So didn't think anything of it. And then Caitlin's like, yeah, it was only raining on half of the house. So like, it literally rained in our front yard, but not our backyard for a certain amount of time, like a couple minutes. It was weird. It was raining in the front, but not in the back. And I wish I saw that. But I missed it. That's a typical rain for Florida. Florida? Oh, they're taking out the jet skis. Fuck. That's sick. Weatherman. You've seen that with snow? Did that once when I was a kid. Also drove into the rain then out. I've done that before. Happened when I was a kid. My brother was in the rain and I was 2 feet away and dry. That's fucked up. That's weird. I gotta leave soon to get Caitlin. Hello there. Is today her official last day? Well, I guess technically it would be if she had like an exam, but she only had one class and then her co-op this semester, so she only had one exam to do. And she got that done on the second day of exam, so she's been pretty much done for a couple days now. Christy, thank you very much. Thank you. And thank you for the heartmies. Thank you very much, ladies. I can't believe how grown up she is now. Yeah. It's wild. Time flies. Time flies. grown up so much, we have, yeah. It's crazy, yeah. It's crazy. Beth, I'm gonna pick up something tomorrow during the day. I don't know exactly what, but I still got some time to think about it. If y'all have any ideas, feel free. Shoot away. Flowers and money. Yeah, that's pretty good. These last 4 years have flown by. They have. They really have. Perfect gift is always green. Not the smoking kind. Yeah, I can't go wrong with that. She does have a good set of headphones. Yeah, she's got the AirPods. She loves those. Yeah, our money isn't all green. Yeah, it's true. Does she have a glass ring? No, I wish we still, like, I wish they still did class rings, or at least, like, I mean, maybe their high school will, but mine didn't. That would have been sweet if they did, especially being, like, the last graduating class. It would have been kind of cool to get something like that. That's fine. This guy's just living life, going out on the jet ski by himself. Thriving and vibing. Yours got stolen. You still have yours. Yeah, it would have been cool to have. Coming to meet you, Ayog Dog. Christy, you pawned yours? Yeah, my hair is getting long. I know, I gotta get it trimmed. Gotta get cleaned up. Frolicking in the water. No, that's true. That is true. One day I'll get a boat. Or something. Or something. I haven't had my mom's class ring from 1967. Damn! That's pretty sweet. Goals. Yep. Yep. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I wish I had my fishing pole with me now, or something. It'd be perfect. Do a little casting. The water is so clear right now, though. Rana, thank you for the backing monkey. What the fuck? That's a crazy name for the gift. Cheryl, hello there. And the summer solstice. Ogdog as well. And Rana again. Much love. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Don't mind me just going through new to me gifts. Oh, they are new. They're new to all of us. Hello, Robin. Hello there. The water's cold? Oh yeah, for sure. It's still got some nip to it. It's got some nip. Not terrible, but it is chilly. Rana with the bounce speakers and the encore clap. Thank you, Rana. Thank you. There are a lot of new ones, eh? They're keeping them fresh lately. Keeping them fresh. Gretchen with the star goggles. Gretchen, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. And Lori with the community crown. Thank you very much, Lori. Thank you. I started, yeah. No, it's crazy. The time has flown by. It's still flying by. It's too bright. I need these. Thank you for the follow, Suzanda. Or Susan Ashwood. Why did I say Suzanda? What the fuck? That's my bad. Sorry. Did you see the edit Rain posted in Discord? Yeah, I have. I do look so young. It's wild, eh? When was that? 2021? Had to have been, right? Want some of my Red Bull? Is it giving you wings or what? Damn. Nova Scotia, very nice. Very nice. IRS giving me attitude. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, it's not IRS. I'm like, damn, the IRS, eh? As if she needs wings. That'd be dangerous. Lori with wings. Where are you from? Ontario. Ontario. How awesome would that be? Some comments in this live were filtered to protect the community's experience. Oh boy, who got filtered? Who got filtered? Colombo, thank you for the community crowns. Thank you. Much love, Colombo. Much love. That was me. Right, I got filtered. She's back. She's back and getting filtered already. It's Lake Erie. Lake Erie. How are you? I'm good. How are you? How are you doing? Yep, that worked. That worked. You didn't get filtered there. Used to live in Georgetown. Very nice. Very nice. I know where Georgetown is. I want to see Crystal Cove. What is Crystal Cove? Your kids are still there? Very nice. G-Town? You're on holiday in Spain right now. Very nice. How's the weather there? How's the weather for your holiday? Isn't that the name? Oh wait, are you thinking Crystal Beach? Are you thinking Crystal Beach? Crystal Cove, that'd be way better. If it was called Crystal Cove, damn. I like the sound of that way more. The parking lot that I'm sitting at right now is Crystal Beach. We're in Crystal Beach. The beach would be behind me, that way. Right up there. A Crystal Cove. I'll rename it. There you go. There you go. Do you know what Camp Crystal Lake is? Do you know what Camp Crystal Lake is? I do not. 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 Hello? Are we back? We're back. Alright. Well, my phone's overheating. So we're gonna call it here. But I gotta go pick up KK now anyways, so it's alright. But yeah. What the fuck was that? Did you see that at the top? A rallying call. What the fuck is that? Okay, anyways, we will be back tonight, alright? So stay tuned for that. I hope you all enjoy what's left of, well, not what's left, but the remainder of your day until then. Alright, we will see you later. And as always, thank you very much for everything, and love you. Bye. Ciao, ciao, amigos. Ciao, ciao.